Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Baby blue color, mint blue color, yellow color, light violet color. The next one is yellow green color, rose big color, geranium color, cream color, vivid purple color, deep olive green color, forest green color, and the last one is scarlet color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. The next one is F, exactly. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H for hand. Kids, now we're using the color of mint blue. H for hand. I. The next one is J, exactly. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. Now we're using the color of yellow. O for orange. The next one is P. Q for queen. The next one is R for rose, R for rice. S. The next one is T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. The next one is V for van, exactly. W. Now we're writing the alphabet of X. The next one is Y. The last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.